Say greetings from Ikea. Watch this. Microwave. All that stuff freaking go.
Dude, this is a trying to be cool.
Shh. I try to hide here. Hide inside the tent.
Sir, what are you doing in here?
Stop! I'm vlogging.
You're not allowed to leave the store. You're causing a scene? Yeah.
Shh, you leave me alone. I'm just a baby. Just a little boy.
Acting like a baby.
I am a little boy. Not how they found me. What the hell? Sneak out there. Anybody look? We're pouring an all-nighter tonight. 1999. Ooh. Wow. $11.99. Let's get one from the bottom. Right. White tigers come with me. Here's some kids' toys. Like learning things or something. I don't get that. Ooh, good for Valentine's Day. $4.99.
Yeah, what do you think about today, huh? I'm Mr. Owl. Oh, yeah. Hey, my name is Rex. From Rexstick, yeah? Oh, I want to go eat some food. You want some food, huh? Give me my mouth. Let's go.
Okay, everybody, here we go. Here's some meal deals. Vegetarian salmon, harvest salad, chocolate cake, kids pancakes, Swedish American breakfast, small breakfast, Swedish pancakes, waffles, fried chicken sandwich, chicken meatballs. Good stuff, people.
I don't know if you know that.
Body first. All that. Oh, can I have a piece of that? See what it tastes like? Small piece. You see the Swedish meatballs with the Swedish? Oh my goodness. You should try to buy that, It's delicious. Love it. People, this is the Ikea bathroom with my tiger. Wow. Little kitty sink. Come on, tiger, let's get out of here. Say bye.
Bye, subscribe, and like. The shower? You see what the shower in the shower room?
Alright, hurry up. I'm going down the line, guys. Yeah. Like a cat pillow. Then we got splatter paint pillow. Splatter ball pillow. $3.99 a piece.
Okay, I have another idea.
And the first t-shirt. $4.99. Ooh. this in here. This t-shirt for $4.99. Buy it anyway. Call it the merch is in. It's only $4.99 for this t-shirt. They only have one large. I don't know if that'll fit me, but is it indoor outdoor stuff? No, that's actual rug. Nice. $89, $3.49. Designers. Generic model there.
But it's a rug.
There's a rug. Let me feel it. Not too shabby. I guess so. We can get that up inside them. It'd be funnier if it fell apart. Yeah, of course.
The camera first. Flip it.
Yeah, turn. I am currently behind everything. Hey, can you find me? I'm behind everything, guys. Hey, what are you doing? Come back
Hang
here.
on, I gotta get it on Snapchat. Dad.
What?
People like you watch. Overnight challenge hashtag.
Hashtag overnight challenge. Hashtag overnight. Oh. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on. Seriously, let's go. Let's go. Now they're breaking stuff. We gotta get going. Hey, shh. Sneak through this way. Sneak through this way. Buy your rugs here from Ikea. $2.99 for that one there. 2'4" by 8'2". It's about the average price for these. $7.99 for the big round one.
I'm gonna get a these.
Hurry up.
No, what?
Ooh, I like these balloons.
I used to have those. Emmy's gonna be like going like this, and I'm gonna be like trying
Cool.
to catch it.
Ooh, I like this cloud light. Look at this. Pretty slick. Let's see the rest of the lights. Blue and white, gold and white. The Dr. Seuss light.
Are you unclaiming us right now? Wait, no. We know him. He's Rexstick Adventures.
$1.99 for that star. Poor guy. Nobody wants him. He's pretty neat though. Because there's an LED bulb in there. Whoa. It's not orange. Whoa. Bam. I've bought like a lot of these items before. Yes, I have. What are you guys doing over here? What are you guys doing here? Better quality pictures than that a couple weeks ago when I was in New York. That was a cool one.
Doesn't matter, bounce back.
So we got that one, big form.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check out this little art over here.
Red.
I like this one right here. Okay, that guy right there is pretty neat.
Oh, he's cool too.
How they get
He's
the
just
ideas,
fun.
huh?
Yeah.
I bought one last And it's unusual.
Yeah.
Last year.
I don't know who does them though.
Yeah, last year's was really cool.
Looks like we're about done with the IKEA experience, right guys?
You're right.
Yeah, sadly. Little cacti. You should get a cactus.
Emmy loves cactuses.
Get a cactus, Emmy.
Nah. I won't be able to
Potted plant, $14.99. How was your shopping experience in the marketplace?
Don't you dare. You did that. You gotta make.
Oh. You can't put that side. Okay, everybody, as we're leaving, we found the candy area. Look at all this candy sweetness. Look at these things. Rainbow Country Strawberry. Yummy. Everything looks so good. But I'm getting this bag of what? Dollar horse. It's a unicorn. Yummy, yummy. And they got cinnamon buns for $1, hot dogs 75 cents, pizza $1.75, chips 75, milk, bottled water, blah blah blah, all $1. Hot dog combo, 2 hot dogs and a soft drink, only $2 here, $22. Like a great deal. It's better than dollar days at Kings Island.
Hot dogs are all beef. Well.
Look, they got non-fat frozen vanilla yogurt sundae for $1.50.
The frozen vanilla yogurt.
Awesome. See you guys later from IKEA. Take it easy. Round, round.